but this is a disgrace. The ranking is a disgrace. Ballon d'Or. शर्म आनी चाहिए Ballon d'Or को.
Boycott this. Barcelona, FC Barcelona, boycott this shit.
Shambolic joke of the year, Ballon d'Or. It's a joke. It's a disgrace.
भाई it is disgrace. भाई this is so crazy भाई. ये बकवास हुआ है.
I can't believe it. Game's gone, bhai. It's a disgrace.
What the hell? Football has survived. Football has survived. Football has been saved today.
Lamine Yamal is now the youngest player to lose out on the Ballon d'Or.
Chat top 10 of Ballon d'Or. नूनो मेंडेस भाई मेरी पीएचडी की जर्सी देखी मैंने देखा काला प्लेयर है मुझे लगा डेम्बेले मेरी गांड फट गई भाई ओ भाई मैं तुम्हें मां कसम बता रहा हूँ एक स्प्लिट सेकंड के लिए मैंने देखा पीएचडी का प्लेयर काला है मेरे को लगा डेम्बेले मैं कहा मां की आंख ओ भाई कोल पामर 8 भाई कोल पामर 8 डेम्बेले 7 ओके अशरफ हकीमी 6 अशरफ हकीमी 6 भाई थर्ड कौन होगा चैट थर्ड कौन होगा Lamine Yamal should win the World Cup. Lamine Yamal should win this, bhai. Lamine Yamal should win this, bhai. Give it to Lamine Yamal, bhai. Give it to Lamine Yamal. It's a disgrace. Give it to Lamine Yamal. This is the biggest. Give it to disgrace, bhai. Give it to Lamine Yamal, bhai. Give it to Lamine Yamal, chat. Give it to Lamine Yamal. Give it to Lamine Yamal, chat. Give it to Lamine Yamal, chat. Give it to Lamine Yamal. Give it to Lamine Yamal, bhai. I don't care, bhai. This is a disgrace, bhai. This is a disgrace. You keeping Rafinha number 5. You keeping Rafinha. Oh my god. Bhai. This is so disgraceful that I want Yamal to win this. Bhai, this is so great. This is so rigged, bhai. This is so disgraceful.
10th to third place. Here we go, boys. 10th पे नूनो मेंडेज हैं. भाई लोग 10th पे नूनो मेंडेज हैं. 9th पे डोनारूमा हैं. कोल पामर 8th पे. कोल पामर over नूनो मेंडेज. कोल पामर is on 8th. किलियन एम्बापे is on 7th. Boys, माहौल गर्म हो रहा है. Kylian on 7th. 6th Ashraf Hakimi. Absolutely brilliant. Ashraf Hakimi this whole season for PSG. भाई मेरे no boy, game's gone, what the hell this is, bro. This ranking is absolutely crazy. Lamine Yamal and Ousmane Dembele, bro, bhai. Rafinha with that season 5th. That's absolute disgrace, bro. Game's gone. I'm so sorry, yaar.
Okay, 10 से थर्ड प्लेस फॉर द बैलन डोर. नंबर 10 नूनो मेंडेस. ओके अंडरस्टैंडेबल. नंबर 10 नूनो मेंडेस है. नंबर 9 डोनारूमा. ठीक है डोनारूमा गोलकीपर. लोगों को साले लोग रैंक भी नहीं करते तो क्या बोलोगे. नंबर 8 कोल पामर. अबे भाई नंबर 8 कोल पामर कुछ ज़्यादा ही नहीं दे दिया इन लोगों ने. नंबर 8 कुछ ज़्यादा ही दे दिया है भाई. किलियन एम्बापे नंबर 7. ओके किलियन एम्बापे नंबर 7. ठीक है. नंबर 6 अशराफ हकीमी. ओके ठीक है. 5 है रफीनिया. व्हाट द 5 नहीं रहना था यार रफीनिया को. कम ऑन. नंबर 4 मोहम्मद साला. तो नंबर 3 कौन है. कार्वत्सखेलिया. नंबर 3 विटीनिया. डैम मिडफील्डर को नंबर 3. सो इट्स बिटवीन उस्मान डेम्बेले एंड लामिन यमाल. व्हाट द एब्सोल्यूट सिनेमा. बट भाई ये रैंकिंग थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ है यार. यहाँ रफीनिया नंबर 5 में नहीं होना चाहिए था. रफीनिया शुड हैव बीन नंबर 4 और 3. बट ठीक है मिडफील्डर को नंबर 3 दिया है भाई. मुझे अच्छा लगा देख करके.
This is number 10. Oh, Nuno Mendes number 10. Nuno Mendes number 10, ladies and gentlemen. Nuno Mendes as number 10. 9, Gianluigi Donnarumma. The list is wrong. 8, Cole Palmer. This should have been Pedri. I don't give a 8, Cole Palmer. Kylian Mbappe 7th. Ashraf Hakimi el mejor jugador de right back position. Mister. I'm done. I'm done. Who the fuck is number 3 then? Who the fuck is number 3? Who the fuck is number 3? Oh my god, Vitinha. Oh my hell, Vitinha. I'm done. This list is weak. This shit is weak. No. This shit is not real. This shit is fucking not real. Vitinha number 3 over Rafinha. What the fuck did Salah do? What the fuck did Salah do over Rafinha? More stats, more trophies, more everything. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Rafinha number What the fuck did Salah do? What the fuck did Rafinha didn't do that Salah did? More goals, more assists, more fucking trophies. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. This is disrespectful. I don't give a fuck. This is disrespectful to football.
Nuno Mendes, the number 10. The nominees of Male Ballon d'Or 2025 guys. वो वक्त आ ही गया. Cole Palmer, number 8. Number 7, Kylian Mbappe. Unfair without any performance. Ashraf Hakimi. Rafinha, number 5. Sheri lady. Mohamed Salah, number 4. अभी I think Rafinha का नाम आएगा number 3 में. Number 3, Vitinha. Ballon d'Or gone. PR. अब बोल.
टेंथ टू 12th प्लेस आ रहा है भाई. हट जाओ. माहौल पूरा बेबी है. भाई. नंबर 10 इट्स नूनो. What? Donnarumma is number 9th. Cole Palmer at 8th. Kylian Mbappe at 7th. ठीक है भाई. Kylian Mbappe at 7th भाई. Ashraf Hakimi at number 6. Rafinha at 5. Mo Salah at number 4. Not on the podium. Mo Salah not on the podium. Vitinha number 3. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't think I cannot wait to have this more in detail कि बहन तो रफीनिया को किसने 5 पे कर दिया भाई.
अब देखते हैं 10th पे कौन है भाई.
आओ भाई नोट.
10th पे Nuno Mendes.
You know what? That's good. That's a good start. Fullback should be 10th.
Gianluigi Donnarumma.
Okay, goalkeeper is a 9th. Okay, 9th पे Donnarumma है.
8th
8th पे Cole Palmer है. Damn भाई.
Palmeriti.
Damn भाई. Cole Palmer, wow.
Oh, 7th पे. Oh
What?
my god. Hakimi over.
What?
Oh भाई defender. Oh 5th Rafinha.
Oh my god, Rafinha 5th है. Oh my god, Rafinha 5th है. What? Top 3 क्या है?
I can't believe it. Vitinha third है. Game's gone भाई. Oh my god, I can't believe it, chat. It's a disgrace.
What the hell? भाई in haram.
Nah. 5th.
Rafinha is 5th बैलन डोर में एंड लमीन यमाल और डेम्बेले में से कोई एक जीतेगा बैलन डोर. Rafinha is 5th in the Ballon d'Or ranking. Vitinha 3rd है. एक midfielder. Vitinha was amazing, but he's 3rd. That is crazy मेरे दोस्तों. People expected Rafinha.
ना अब तो मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता इस अवार्ड से. ओए चलते हैं भाई. Rig this award.
All right, let's go. Show us who is top 10. In 10th place, we have Nuno Mendes. A'udhu billah. Wallah, we're getting robbed already. Wallah, this is a scandal already. Oh my God, Cole Palmer's above. Allah, Cole Palmer's 9th Donnarumma. Cole Palmer 8th. Alhamdulillah. Why is he 8th as well, wallahi? Nuno Mendes 10 is crazy. 7th place. Kylian Mbappe 7th. Who's 6th? Hakimi. Oh, Vitinha's actually making top 5. Rafinha top 5. Goal! Mohamed Salah 4th. Vitinha is top 3. Vitinha is top 3 in the Ballon d'Or.
10, Mendes. Okay. 9, Donnarumma. 9's Donnarumma. 8, Cole. I said 8! RSM, I said watch Cole Palmer come 8. I'm crying. I just threw that number out. Mbappe 7th. Hakimi 6th. Rafinha 5th! What? Salah 4th. How is what? Vitinha 3rd. Vitinha third. Rafinha fifth. How the hell is Salah ahead? No way did Barca pay all that money for Dembele to win the Ballon d'Or at PSG. Ha!
ओके अरे मेरी फट गई पीएसजी की किट देख के मुझे लगा डेम्बेले 10th
नूनो
अबे अबे कोल पामर इतना ऊपर
डोनारुमा 9th
ये
Eight.
लेट्स गो
कोल पामर एम्बापे 7th
6th
हकीमी 6th
Rafinha
राफीनिया 5th
Rafinha 5th Rafinha
Ooh.
5th
साला
साला
4th
4th यार चलो ठीक है मतलब मैंने जितना सोचा था उससे काफी
विटीनिया
ऊपर
विटीनिया 3rd makes sense
तो इट्स बिटवीन नाउ यमाल एंड डेम्बेले अरे रफीनिया 5th कैसे भाई
damn
Rafinha
Rafinha 5th is wow.
रफीनिया 5th इज अ डिसग्रेस भाई
नहीं समझ आया ये
And the winner is. And the winner is. And the winner is.
Who's the winner? Lamine Yamal or Usman Dembele, bro. Ronnie, let's go, bhai. Ronnie, all cameras on Lamine Yamal and Dembele.
अरे रोनाल्डिनियो भाई हाथ रगड़ रहे हैं, ऐसे भी कर दो. रोनाल्डिनियो भाई आप खोलो और भले उसमें कुछ भी लिखा हो लामीन यमाल बोल देना. ठीक है? अरे बोलना.
Please, Lamine, please.
भाई the moment is here भाई.
Please, 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 don't rob Dembele. Dembele has won a treble. Don't rob Dembele, please. Your ranking is already bad. Don't rob Dembele. Okay, Bismillah. The winner of the Ballon d'Or 2025 is... Come on, man, just say it, wallahi.
Announce the winner, bro. Bro, announce it!
Dembele! Oh my god, bhai! Usman Dembele! Usman Dembele! Usman Dembele has won the... Thank God, bhai! Thank God! Bhai, this is the most disgraceful ranking we have seen. Bhai, I'm happy Dembele has won this. By Dembele winning this is such a redemption. But this is a disgrace. Bhai, the ranking is a disgrace, bhai. The ranking is a disgrace. Oh my God, bhai. भाई रफीनिया को 5th रखा है भाई, 5th रखा है भाई. क्लैपिंग्स चैट बात करेंगे सबकी, बट क्लैपिंग्स फॉर उस्मान डेम्बेले, वेल डिजर्व्ड भाई, एब्सोल्युटली वेल डिजर्व्ड. आई एम सो हैप्पी. It was supposed to be between Rafinha and Dembele. It was supposed to be between them. I am so happy, bhai. I am celebrating as if bhai he's a Barcelona player, bhai. I'm so happy. Usmane, bhai, unbelievable, bhai. There is no way, bhai. Oh my God. I'm so happy. First of all, I'm so happy for him. Top player, performed top पिछले season, world class. और पर Ballon d'Or, शर्म आनी चाहिए Ballon d'Or को. बैलन डोर को शर्म आनी चाहिए भाई. भाई रफीनिया 5th. भाई चैट
Dembele मेरे भाई. So we have it over there, boys. We have it over there, man. ठीक है bro. आए यार, ठीक है bro. It's fairs, man. Fairs, bro, but fairs. Big moment for Usman Dembele. And who would have thought, man, he would be the player to go on and win the Ballon d'Or before Kylian Mbappe, before Erling Haaland as well. Usman Dembele, the Ballon d'Or winner 2025. मेरे भाई, just एक moment लो, look back 5-6 years पिछले देखो आप, भाई साहब, and that is Usman Dembele with the Ballon d'Or, भाई साहब. Well deserved, man. Well deserved. Honestly, well deserved. पहली बार ये बंदे ने top 30 की लिस्ट में एंट्री ली है. फर्स्ट टाइम. दिस इज हिज फर्स्ट टाइम ओवर हियर इन टॉप 30 लिस्ट एंड ही हैज एक्चुअली गॉन ऑन टू विन इट, मैन. ठीक है भाई, कांट लाई, वेल डिजर्व्ड. वो सब तो ठीक है यार मेरे, बट ये क्या है ब्रो? रफीनिया एट 5th इज एब्सोल्युटली, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली क्रेजी, मैन. यार मैन, डिड डर्टी टू रफीनिया, मैन. 5th इज एब्सोल्युटली डिसग्रेस भाई. बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस, मैन? कोल पामर ahead of Nuno Mendes, Cole Palmer ahead of Donnarumma. Cole Palmer even in top 10 is absolutely crazy, man. मुझे लग रहा था, पता है, लमीन यमाल ऊपर फिनिश करेगा रफीनिया से. पता है, मुझे लग रहा था कि वो उसकी रैंकिंग जब आएगी ना, फिनिश करेगा लमीन यमाल ऊपर. आई वाज़न्ट एग्रीइंग विद दिस. मेरे लिए स्टिल, मैं रफीनिया को ऊपर फिनिश करो. मेरे लिए रफीनिया इफ नॉट फर्स्ट बाय रफीनिया सेकंड है. बट रफीनिया का फिफ्थ फिनिश करना ब्रो, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली दैट इज अ डिसग्रेस फॉर मी. शुड हैव बीन हायर. टॉप 3 में नहीं होना भाई बहुत गलत है भाई. फिफ्थ इज एक्चुअली एब्सोल्युटली शेमफुल. बट दिस आई डोंट डिसएग्री विद. आई थिंक मैंने कहा भी है, फॉर मी ऑन पेपर, गिवन बाय द रूल्स, गिवन बाय द परफॉर्मेंस, फॉर व्हाट डेम्बेले हैज डन, ट्रू विनर ऑफ द अवार्ड. ठीक है भाई. भाई आप सोचो यार, भाई आप सोचो एक बार. हैरी केन, मो साला, केविन डी ब्रुयने, विनीशियस जूनियर, किलियन एम्बापे, हालैंड, नेमार, of all the people, of all these people to not win the Ballon d'Or, डेम्बेले को Ballon d'Or मिल चुका है. भाई that tells you भाई फुटबॉल कितना अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है.
डेम्बेले जीत गया भाई, डेम्बेले जीत गया. ठीक है, ठीक है. Everybody knew guys, everybody knew guys. Lamine Yamal is sad guys. Lamine Yamal is sad guys. I can see on his face भाई. ठीक है भाई, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. डिजर्व विनर है भाई, डिजर्व विनर है भाई. क्वाड्रुपल जीता है, यूसीएल जीता है, सब जीता है. ठीक है भाई, ठीक है, ठीक है. वेल डिजर्विंग भाई, डिजर्विंग भाई, डिजर्विंग भाई, डिजर्विंग भाई. डेम्बेले भाई, डैम भाई डेम्बेले. और भाई नेवर इन माय भाई, इन माय वाइल्डेस्ट ड्रीम आई एवर भाई साहब यू नो थॉट कि डेम्बेले एम्बापे से पहले बैलन डोर उठाएगा भाई. डेम्बेले भाई उठाएगा. ओ माय गॉड भाई, कभी नहीं सोचा था भाई, कभी नहीं सोचा था भाई. थोड़ा सा बुरा तो लग रहा है कि इतना पास आकर के हम कैसे जो है वो फंबल कर गए. थोड़ा सा बुरा तो लग रहा है चैट.
Ousmane Dembele is a Ballon d'Or winner. Ousmane Dembele is a Ballon d'Or winner. Nah, fair enough. Real Madrid, absolutely fair enough. You knew it from the beginning. No. By the way, Rafinha fifth. Do you understand Dembele being a Ballon d'Or? You don't get it. This guy won the same Ballon d'Or that Messi won, that Cristiano won, that Kaká won, that Van Basten won, that Michel Platini won, that Johan Cruyff won. Gino won it, R9 won it, Rivaldo won it, Romario won it. This is the same Ballon d'Or this guy is holding right now. With all due respect to Ousmane Dembele, average player, winning the Ballon d'Or, holding this trophy. Nah, this is crazy. Rafinha number 5. Salah ahead of Rafinha. Boycott this. Barcelona, FC Barcelona, boycott this shit. Nah, brother, half of the season he was shit. Now he should win it. They should name this the best player in the end of the season. Like, I'm sorry, Haaland, Mbappe, these guys are not winning it before Ousmane Dembele.
And it's Dembele! It's Dembele who won the Ballon d'Or. It's Dembele who won the Ballon d'Or. The best player in the world right now, better than Diego Maradona, better than Zinedine Zidane, better than Ronaldo, better than Messi, the GOAT Dembele, who just played 4 or 5 matches. UCL final, Dembele 0. World Cup final, Dembele 0. Nations League, Dembele 0. But yaar, Dembele won the Ballon d'Or, guys. Oh my God. Sabse acha, the most, by my rightness, matlab, this is one of the most pathetic, to nahi bolunga yaar. Pathetic would be a very good word, I think. Shambolic from the France Football Academy. Shambolic. Shambolic joke of the year, Ballon d'Or. It's a joke. It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace. Lewandowski number 17. Pedri number 11. Rafinha number 5. Rafinha number 5. मैं बड़वा चोर हूं, मैं खेल नहीं पाता हूं. 4-5 मैचेस अच्छा खेल लिया, अपने क्लब को इंसल्ट किया, फिर तेल लेने गया मैं शेख से, तेल लगाया अपने लंड में और फिर बैलन डोर जीत गया मैं. एंड मैं बहुत खुश हूं.
Oh, Dembele! It's Dembele! Oh my God, भाई तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए भाई. It's Ousmane Dembele Who won the Ballon d'Or 2025 भाई? अरे भाई, लमीन यमाल वर्सेस उस्मान डेम्बेले, एब्सोल्युटली बांगर भाई, क्रेजी भाई, क्रेजी भाई, क्रेजी भाई, दे वेंट क्रेजी, ओ माय गॉड भाई, भाई कितना भोला आदमी है यार, भाई कितना भोला आदमी है यार, ये कितना भोला आदमी है भाई। बैलन डोर क्लियर हो गया। लमीन यमाल तुम्हारे हिसाब से नंबर 2 डिजर्व करता है कि नहीं करता है? भाई ही डज, ऑफ कोर्स ही डज भाई, मतलब केस तो किसी के लिए ही बन सकता है। रफीनिया पे तो बात करनी पड़ेगी भाई। रफीनिया एट नंबर 5 इज डिसग्रेस भाई, दे डिड एब्सोल्युटली डर्टी टू रफीनिया भाई। नंबर 5 फॉर रफीनिया, नंबर 5 फॉर रफीनिया, हाउ ये भाई, इट इज डिसग्रेस, माय गॉड, क्रेजी भाई, दिस इज सो क्रेजी भाई, ये बकवास हुआ है।
It's Dembele. हाँ, it's Dembele.
Ousmane
Dembele,
Dembele is a Ballon d'Or.
But deserves it, bhai. Brother deserves it. Ousmane
Dembele is a Ballon d'Or, मेरे दोस्तों। Oh my
It
God,
deserves it.
भाई I can't
नहीं।
भाई।
उसकी एक्चुअली उसका फेस गिव इट अवे भाई, लाइक क्योंकि जो विनर होता है उसको पता होता है, लाइक इट गिव was given away.
By
Face.
Londo, but again, by crazy season by Ousmane Dembele, you can't ridicule that, by. I think well deserved winner, by. Well deserved winner, by. But by Rafinha finished 5th, Yamal second,
भाई.
third Vitinha, and fourth कौन था चौंकी? Salah था, and
Yep.
Mbappe finished 7th, by the way.
Mbappe 7th.
By did not expect this, दोस्तों. Did not expect this, by.
भाई yes sir.
Oh my
Rafinha
God, by.
ना भाई.
Ousmane Dembele is the 2025 men's Ballon d'Or.
It's a crazy
Wow.
disgrace भाई.
Wow, मेरे दोस्तों, Ousmane Dembele won the treble, won the Champions League, scored 33 goals, all competition, involved था बहुत चीजों में लड़का, but I mean you can't dispute that भाई। देखो Dembele का चीज है, you can't dispute that. He had a very good season भाई। You can say French League वगैरह वगैरह, but you can't dispute it मेरे दोस्तों। But Vitinha came third भाई दोस्तों, Vitinha came third, वो midfielder, he was amazing भाई, but still third. And Rafinha, who had a crazy season. We all thought that the top 3 will be Rafinha, Yamal,
Lamine और
and Dembele.
Dembele.
It leaves me speechless, bhai.
Yes! Yes! Them boos! Them boos! Them boos! Yes! Them boos! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, the boos! Yes! Yes!
Football has survived. Football has survived. Come on. This is the perfect decision. Football has been saved today. And I love Lamine Yamal. I love Lamine Yamal. You already know how much I give flowers to Lamine Yamal in all of my Barcelona watch-alongs. I do every single Barcelona watch-alongs. I do every single Barcelona reviews. I've spoken about Lamine Yamal, but Lamine Yamal does not deserve to win it this off based on last season. It's Dembele's award. Yes, Dembele. Yes, Dembus. You deserved it. You deserved it. This is amazing. Lamine Yamal, you'll win it soon. Don't worry. Lamine Yamal, you're going to win the Ballon d'Or soon. The Ballon d'Or is going to be yours pretty soon. It's all right, bro. It's all right if you didn't win it. It's all right if you didn't win it.
Dembele! Hey! Lamine Yamal is now the youngest player to lose out on the Ballon d'Or. Nah, all trolling aside, this is the rightful winner. Like, let's just be objective here. Everyone and their mother knew that Dembele deserved to win it. What he did at PSG last season was phenomenal. They won the treble in the Champions League. He absolutely cooked. Liverpool held smoke. Aston Villa held smoke. Arsenal held smoke. And Inter held smoke, and he played well throughout the entire knockout rounds. This is the rightful winner. Everybody that's going to be crying because Yamal didn't get it, maybe next year. The Ballon d'Or ceremony has beaten the corrupt allegations because they were moving a bit mad over the last couple years. Rodri winning it last year was ridiculous. Messi winning it the year before that was atrocious. In 59 games, Ousmane Dembele, 51 GA, League On Player of the Year, Champions League Player of the Year. Come on now, bruv. Actually, I think they won the quad. I swear, no. PSG just didn't win the treble. They won the quad. You know how mad that is? They literally etched their names in the history books.
Dembele.
अरे भाई, who would have thought, chat, who would have thought? चलो ये तो सही दे दिया, ठीक है,
ये
इसमें
तो
ज्यादा-
ठीक है, हाँ
ये तो ठीक है, दे तो सही दिया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Hi, who would have thought that Dembele would win a Ballon d'Or before Kylian Mbappe?
nobody. Before Haaland, before Mbappe, Dembele भाई. चलो डेम्बेले वाला तो समझ में आता है. राफीनिया
भाई साहब डेम्बेले
अब
ले
जो-
गया यार Ballon
अब
d'Or.
जो
Man, what is this multiverse भाई? मतलब
बच
ऐसा नहीं
नहीं-
है कि देखो पता था डेम्बेले जीतेगा. डेम्बेले, रफीनिया, यमाल, इन्हीं 2-3 प्लेयर में से एक जीतना था. बट अब मैं देख रहा हूँ ना उसको जब ट्रॉफी के साथ,
सरियल मोमेंट.
तो इट इज हिटिंग मी हार्ड मैन. लाइक डेम्बेले जीत गया बैलन डोर भाई, समझ रहे हो तुम भाई?
डैम.
रफीनिया फिफ्थ कैसे है भाई? रफीनिया फिफ्थ कैसे है?
बाबा दे हैव इंश्योर्ड कि अवार्ड्स के बाद भी एक हफ्ते तक कम से कम बात हो इसके ऊपर.